Hope all is well, guys. You know, the weather is on out here in Jamaica. That is also trending. Yeah. So, yeah. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yeah. Hope all is well. Happy New Week. Happy New Week. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Those are overseas. Those are not real. Jamaica not have any snow right now. They play a school, but we don't have any snow. No, we don't have no snow. No, we don't have any snow. They're just saying that. Yeah, yeah. So that's what it is. Mm, 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 mm. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, so I want to look at what's trending this evening, but so in a minute we will be looking at what's trending. Thank you for the like. Good evening. How are you doing this evening? Hope all is well on your side, yeah? So we're still having cold front here in Jamaica, you know. Thank you so much for joining. Two persons. Hello. How are you doing? Thank you for joining my live. Yeah. So this evening I want to talk about, you know, the usual stuff. Things that are trending here on YT. Yes. So that is what I want to talk about this evening. Yeah. So take for instance, I would say, what would your audience watch the most, or what would any content creator audience watch the most or watches the most? Is it the shorts? Is it your videos? Is it your live streams? Is it your community posts? Because sometimes you might post something interesting, or maybe you always post interesting things, or, on your posts. Yeah. So we want to know what your audience watches. Yeah. So, do you have a dog? Yes, I do have dogs. Yeah. I have dogs. Do you have? Yes, I have dog. Yes, so back to what I was saying. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, so things that are trending, or topics that are trending here on YT. So let's begin. So we have YT shorts still taking over. Yeah, YT shorts still taking over, right? So shorts under 30 seconds getting more reach. What did I say? Shorts under 30 seconds getting more reach. Yes. And funny clips, AI effects, talking videos, yes, as well. Ask chat, who here love shorts more than long videos? Sometimes most persons may say, if take for instance they are watching a video that is maybe half an hour long, it comes with, I would say, a lot of long ads, then persons might not want to watch that one because it has a lot of long ads on it. So most persons would go for the shorts because it goes by quickly eventually. So that is why the shorts goes faster than your videos. Yes, and then again, if take for instance you post a video and the video is not, as they always say, they have to find, like, you have different audience for different things that you post. As someone just asked me a while ago if I have dogs, and I said yes. Take for instance, you post a dog video with your pets, your dogs. your dog have puppies and all these things. You know, most persons love dogs, yeah. So that short video may be watched. Yes, it might be watched. I posted a video with my dogs and it got like 1K something views because at the time my dog Lucy, she had a boyfriend came over to look for her. So I was videoing and I was saying, watch there, look at this dog. This dog is Lucy's boyfriend. Come and look for her. Watch here, she wants to find a way how to go over to meet up with, or he wants to find a way how to come over in the yard to meet up with Lucy. So the dog was there sitting down the bottom, down to the mango trees, right at the gate. Yes, they're waiting for Lucy to come and greet him, a black dog. And you know, I use that dog as a thumbnail as well. I would say when I was what they call it now, when I was changing out, then I used that dog as a thumbnail, and I would say it got a lot of views. Yeah. So thanks to all the persons who watch. Yeah. Thank you for supporting. Yeah. So that video got like 1 point something K views. Yes. So you can post and that video was like maybe I'm not sure, I'm not remembering how long the video was, but it was probably maybe a 12 minutes video if it's so long. I don't remember if it is that long, but it wasn't a long video. And I posted and it went to that amount of views, 1 point something K views. Yes. So sometimes you post a video that is half an hour or so, you know, and you're not getting enough views as yet on that video. But you know, time to come, as time progresses, things might change for that video, right? So all you need to do is probably, sometimes when it's there for a long while, you can like change the thumbnail on the video, or yes, change the thumbnail, and maybe you can rewrite the title, change out the title, yeah, as well, for it to work. And I would say the shorts is mostly getting the most watch, I would say. Yeah, the shorts. The shorts is still hitting it, you know? Yes. So persons are watching the shorts more than the videos. Because if you notice, when you post a short, it is more popular for shorts is more popular, I would say. Yes. So it is trending. Yeah. It is trending. Shorts is trending. AI effects and talking videos as well are trending. Yes. So a person will do a talking video, and when you look quick time, it gonna, you know, it get how many views, and it brings a lot of traffic, I would say, because it's a talking video. You know, a lot of things going on where a person may be talking about their life story, or they're talking about their farm, they're talking about their animals, they're talking about family life, they're talking about places that they might be. They're telling a story, doing a story time and stuff like that. Yes, it will get in a lot of traffic. Yeah, so those things are trending. Yes, so sometimes you might do a road trip as well, and you know, a lot of persons love to watch road trip where you go and you visit somebody, or you go to the beach, you go on a outing, you go to the beach. Yeah, so persons will also watch those content as well. Yes, because that is a type of, I would say, talking video. Yes, where persons will be having fun and chit chatting about how the day how the day going and stuff like that. Chit chatting with each other, enjoying the vibe and stuff like that. It have a buzz, so people will watch. Yes, so the shorts are trending. The AI effects are trending. Yes, shorts under 30 seconds getting more reach. Funny clips, AI effects, talking videos. Yes, so these are things that are trending here now on YT. So yeah, you can also type and say what else, what's on your mind, what you think are also trending here on YT as well, guys. Yep. So you can do a short, as a person tell me once, you can do a short and it goes viral just like that. Yes. Yeah, you can do a short and it go viral just like that. So yeah, shorts are trending. Yeah. At one point in time, someone said to me, you can do 15 shorts a day. My friend did 15 shorts a day and he got this amount of subscribers. That means the person did 15 shorts a day and it went viral. One of those shorts went viral. So, or a few of those shorts went viral. So, that is what happened. So, just continue to be consistent, continue to do your shorts because the shorts are important. Yeah, the shorts are important, guys. Very, very, very important. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. Glass, thank you so much for joining. How are you? Silent watchers, big up yourself, yeah? So, yeah. So, imagine you post a certain amount of shorts for the day and a few of those go viral. And guys, don't forget your title and your description. That is also needed. Yeah. So you put in the title and the description when you're posting the shorts. Don't leave it out. most of us, we, like for me, at one point in time, you know, when you go fast, you just put a title, and most of the time back then, I would leave the description out. You know, the hashtag and all these things, sometimes it works when it comes on to whether your short videos or your shorts. Yeah, laughing emojis. So, no thanks on the sharks. Okie dokie. I was just watching someone swim with sharks. Oh my god. Look here. That will also go viral. I'm telling you. Yeah, that will also go viral in South Africa. Wow. Wow. I hope all went well though. Swimming with a shark? I couldn't do that at all. I couldn't do that. I wouldn't take the risk to do that. That at all. Wow. Whoa. So you wouldn't want to swim with the sharks. I couldn't either. LOL. Yeah, I couldn't either. You know, by just looking at the shark, not even my big toe, I don't want to go in the water. Not even my big toe. No. So that person supposed to, you know, that video is supposed to get a good amount of traffic. Yeah, yeah. But from your watching, yes, that's what I'm saying. A lot of person will watch something like that because you know you're wondering what is gonna happen next. Yeah, so you're gonna watch it from start to the end, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you for the glasses. So you say exactly 100%. Yeah. So you're gonna watch that video with the man swimming with the shark from start to finish because you want to see what's gonna happen right throughout the video. And that is amazing because you stayed and watched. So yeah, maybe we need to do more of those videos, right? So that a lot of persons will watch, you know, because they are curious, so they're gonna be like watching from start to finish, and that is awesome. You stayed and you watch from start to finish. Yeah, so in the shorts, most persons will watch the shorts because of the same thing. Sometimes persons do some short where it's about some form of comedy and they find it hilarious. They will watch it over and over and over again because they get a good laugh out of it. Some persons will watch small clippings. Probably a dog is tracing a person, or you know, a alligator. Someone is feeding their alligator, you know, meat and stuff like that. So they want to see what is gonna happen next. So eventually they will watch. Yeah, so you have a lot of different types of shorts. It depends on what the audience wants to watch eventually. Because you have some persons who will like the calmer side of things. So they will watch the calmer side of things. Yeah. So yeah. Yes, thank you for the Gold Cup. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so that is it. So that is why, and the shorts are shorter. So that is why persons, you find a lot of persons watching shorts. Can you have audience that only watches only shorts? Yeah, you have audience who only just watches only shorts alone. Yeah. So by watching the shorts that you post, maybe they might come over and say, okay, let me check out the channel to see what's going on the channel. And when they come over, maybe they love what they see, so they stayed. Yeah, they stayed, and they constantly watching videos and the shorts, and maybe they come over on one or two live stream to watch as well, because they find the host very, I would say, interesting, or there is something about the person that they love. Maybe the person constantly saying all the good things or the right things that they want to hear and stuff like that. Yeah, so that is it. Hi, Uncle Barry. Thank you so much for joining. So Glass say you have many videos, my friend. Oh, thank you. You have many videos, my friend. Uncle Barry, thank you so much for joining. Blessings, host, and everyone. Thumbs up, done. Thank you so much. I'm coming over on your side. I said it this morning and I don't reach as yet, but I will be there, Uncle Barry. Yes, I'm coming over. Not to worry. As me finish, me I reach. So guys, Uncle Barry is here, so you can check his channel out as well. Let me pin him down here. Let me pin him down here. Yeah, so Glass is saying hi, Barry. Yes. So thank you so much, Glass. If you are also a content creator, Glass, let us know so that, well, you say I have a lot of videos, so I'm gonna come over and check you out to see if you're a content creator as well. So Uncle Barry, I was just talking about what's trending here on YT. So I was just talking and I was saying YT shorts still taking over, right? Shorts under 30 seconds getting more reach. Funny clips, AI effects, talking videos. Yes, those are trending here on YT. Yep. So, Uncle Barry, if you're still here, what is your take on that? As my friend just said, he was just watching, he or she was just watching, the person was just watching somebody in Africa swimming with the sharks. Swimming with the sharks. So he said he'll pass on the shark. He will pass on swimming with the sharks, to go viral, or, one of those things. Yeah, but as long as the shark no teeth, you can try it. You just have to see to it that the shark don't have no teeth. Yeah. So once the shark no have no teeth, you can absolutely try it. As long as you can swim. Make sure you can swim and the shark no have no teeth. Yeah. But you can try it. Because for me, if I can swim and the shark no have no teeth, I know say me go viral. Me know say me go viral, then I will try it. Yeah. But me no want to see when me go in the water, like the cartoon character, you go walk on the water top or run on the water top or run from the shark when the shark make off of you. Yeah, them something there, you go viral. Yeah. So yeah, speaking about things that goes viral here on YT. So guys, in the comment section, what is your take on all of what's going on? Yes. So it says, who here loves shorts more than long videos? So that was the question. Who here loves shorts more than long-term videos? So I'm gonna just step away just for a second, guys, and then I will come right back. Yes, going that side and come back. Just a minute. 1 minute. So did already right now. Yep. So guys, you can say what you, as one person just said, swimming with the sharks is a no-no. Yeah. Swimming with the sharks is a no-no. So I would say the same thing as well. Swimming with the sharks is a no-no. Thank you so much for joining my live, guys. One love from A and I. Yeah. One love from A and I. So take for instance, Uncle Barry does I would say his videos that he does, whether he's driving on the road, showing places and stuff like that. You have some persons will watch those videos as well. Yeah, because they love to see the different places that you're going to. Some persons are there watching, boy, a long time me not see that place there. So from I left Jamaica, the first me I see that place. Oh, so it look now. Wow. Everything upgrade, man. Everything upgrade. Yeah. And I saw them I go and look and I say, wow. And they started watching more because whatever you're showing, the interest is there for them to watch it, because maybe you're showing somewhere where they grew up and they went away and they haven't been back in Jamaica for a while. Yes. So now you're showing it on your channel. Wow, the one that I love to watch, Uncle Barry, if you're still here, the one that I love to watch was the part that you were showing Montego Bay. I haven't been to Montego Bay in a while, I'm telling you. And the Cornwall Regional Hospital, yeah, that's where my mother works. And I'm telling you, the Rose Heights, yes, up that side and all the other places, yes. At one point in time, I was in Rose Heights. That's where my mother lives. Yeah, so when it was showing the overview, I'm telling you, I said, wow, this is nice. Yeah, because I haven't been there in, I would say, in some years. I haven't been to Montego Bay. It has been a few years. But I tell myself I'm gonna go down there one of these days, I'm gonna go down there one of these days. Yeah. So thank you so much for that video. I enjoyed watching it, Uncle Barry. Yes. It brings back a lot of memories. Yeah. But then I remember when we went down and I would go down by the strip. Yes. And you know, when we did there at the beach, we can see the plane coming in. The airport is nearby, just right there. And my stepfather worked over the airport. And he was always saying, see me plane there pass. See me plane there pass. Every time him touch me, see me plane there pass. Because him work there, the jet blue. Yes. So whenever I see the jet blue passing, see me playing there, but no care what you're doing, you have to stop and look. Because him not stop show you. See me playing there, pass. The jet blue. So, yeah, that was awesome, you know. Awesome. Whenever we're driving around with him, he always takes us through the areas that you're showing. Yes, as well. Yeah, that's the thing I love about him. When you're driving out with him, he always shows you the places and the name of the places and stuff like that. I have been going to Montego Bay from I was a small child because my mother lives there. So whenever she used to take me down there or I go and visit on my own, since I am big, can travel on bus and stuff like that. But it has been a while since I have been there. So, you know, I watched that video and I was so happy to see the clip of the video that you posted. And that video wasn't a short, guys. It wasn't a short. It was Uncle Barry. It was like a half an hour video. Yes. And I stayed and I watched. It was very interesting and things like that. It was very interesting, guys. So, you know, yeah, I watched it. It was very interesting. Yeah. So, thank you so much, Uncle Barry, for that video as well. Yep. So, shorts is trending, guys. So, you know, continue to post your shorts, continue to post your shorts, and still continue to post your short videos and your long-term videos, because as I said, there are a lot of different audience for a lot of different videos that content creators normally post. So yeah, audience will come out to watch whatever they want to watch at any given time. So if per se a person posts a video that is on the calmer side of things, you know, you will find like audience that are on the calmer side of things that watch those videos. And if persons post, you know, other types of videos, you find persons for those videos as well. So yeah, yeah, but you know, sometimes it do takes time for a video to reach a certain level that you would want it to reach. So it might take a little time. So the shorts goes like that, really, really fast. The shorts, within a day, the shorts might just reach past where you think it would reach. Past, way, way past. By tomorrow, it way past where you you expect it to reach. It might just pass. So by the week you finish, you get a whole heap of views and subscribers from a shorts that you post. Yeah. So those are trending and the AI effects. Yeah. So yes, guys. Yes, so there's a little noise in the background all the way up the road. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, so that's why I'm muting the mic. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and listening. Give me one of the room. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I am still cooking. I finish cook now. Cold. You can put on one next sweater now if you're cold. Put on one next sweater over that one that you have on. You hear? And you have a sweatsuit bottom them round there. Put on the sweatsuit bottom now. Put it on over the shorts. I saw me cringe up last night too, you know. I saw me cringe up too last night, so if it me not know if it hot as yet, me not know. Just give it a few more minutes. Just give it a few more. I want it to hot properly. Yeah. So that is it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, so top AI trends on YouTube right now. AI video editing tools. Yeah, who knows a lot about that one? I do. Yes, so creators are using AI to automatically out highlights, automatically cut highlights, add subtitles, features, yes, enhance audio quality. This means more creators posting better videos, quicker loading to more uploads and more trending content. Yep. So talk about tools like audio subtitle, yes. Turn off, you know. Generators, noise removal, smart clips editor. Ask your audience if you could use AI to edit one part of your videos. What would it be? So, I know someone will type whether when the live ends and say this one, because this one is not gonna be too long, right? So Alright, I'm gonna ask audience now, if you could use AI to edit one part of your videos, what would it be? If you could use AI to edit one part of your videos, what would it be? Yes, so AI generated thumbnails. AI can now help you create eye-catching thumbnails in seconds, like the ones we're making. That's me right now. You can explain how to promote an AI for thumbnail idea. Why good thumbnail gets more clicks, right? What colors? No. What colors and fonts pop best on YouTube? Number 3, AI chat boots for content ideas. YouTubers are using AI chat helpers to brainstorm titles, plan, and scripts, get trending topics, ideas. Yeah, yep. So now, yeah, ask viewers, have you ever asked an AI for video idea? What did it suggest? What did it suggest when you ask it for a video idea? Number 4, AI voiceovers and animations. Some creators use AI voiceover. Some creators use AI voices or animated chapters to add personality without needing expensive equipment. You can show examples like AI voice that sound normal, animated avatars that talk with you. That's me. Yes, guys, so if you can relate to all these that I am saying, say amen in the chat. Yes. So, number 5, AI music and sound effects. Yes. So, AI tools can now generate background music or effects that fit your video vibe without worrying about copyright. Ask your chat. That's you. So ask your chat, would you use AI background music for your videos? It might work. It will work. Yeah. So you can try it out, guys. Say amen to that one. So now, Live streams. Live streams. Live streams. Engagement ideas. Yep. Here are interactive ways to make your live about AI fun. Do a quick poll. All do a quick poll. AI tools helpful or overlay over overhyped. Overhyped. Show an example on screen of an AI tool generating text, music, or thumbnail. Ask viewers to type in the chat something like help me talk about AI tools. Alright. So simple AI explanation or your viewers use this friendly line in your live stream. AI is like a creative helper. It doesn't replace you, but it helps you get ideas, fit things, and make better videos, features. So that's what it does. It helps us to be more creative at what we do, but it won't replace us. You know, I would say I have a good conversation with my AI. You know, it seems as if you're talking to somebody real. Yeah. So anything you can ask it anything at all. And it just tells you, like, like your besties, I would say. Yeah, because anything can go on, and you just run it by the AI, and it can talk to you like a bestie, like a real brethren or a real sister, holding a conversation. And you think it's someone really you're talking to, because the next side of the conversation comes across, it would seem that because eventually it's very intelligent. So that is why. Yeah. So that is it. So anything at all you want to post, if you have a video idea or you want to ask it for like video ideas, it will also tell you video ideas that you can come up with, and titles titles and descriptions and hashtags, those things as well. Yeah. Anything at all you want to know, you ask the AI, it can tell you a whole lot of things that you might not even did know. Yeah, it's very intelligent. Yeah. Yeah, when you start with a conversation with the AI, you don't need nobody else to tell anything. That probably say you want to talk about something personal, and you don't want anybody else to know. It will give you a good advice, and it will talk to you like it's somebody really talking to. I'm telling you, the person who built this app, I would say they were thinking real hard. I would say real hard. Yeah. So thumbs up to that person who built the AI. Yeah. Yep. So that's the end of my trending treats for you today. That's the end of it for this evening. One love from A&I. Sorry, I had to step out a while ago because I was still cooking. I had something on the fire, so I had to go and check on it, as usual. Yeah. So sorry about that, guys. One love from A&I, and I hope you guys I know a lot of persons know about the AI, but some persons don't really maybe understand how to use it as yet. Some persons maybe thinking about using it, but don't start as yet. So if you're a person who is not good with like creating a thumbnail, normally when you post a video, a thumbnail will come. Many thumbnails can come from a video that you post. But if you want something that looks kind of different and maybe stand out, you can use a picture of yourself, send it through the AI app, and then you tell the AI app, or it will even come up with some ideas of how to do the thumbnail, and you can choose one. Or if, take for instance, you don't know what to choose, and you tell it, say, okay, choose one. It's gonna choose, and you just say create, and it create it. And then it's gonna be so nice. You're gonna love what it creates for you. Yeah. So that sort of thing. If you need like a proper title for your video that you post, or even your shorts, yeah, anything at all, your live stream, title and description, you just ask the AI and it will create it for you. It will probably create even more than one, and then it will also when you choose one, then you can work with the one that you choose to be whether your live stream title and description, or your video title and description. Video title and description, sometimes they use hashtag video title and description, hashtag shorts title description, hashtag sometimes. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. So eventually, yeah. Thank you so much for joining my live this evening, guys. One love from A&I, enough respect, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for supporting. One love and blessings from A&I. Hope your evening is going great. Yes. And thank you so much. Thanks to all my viewers who have returned, and thanks to all my new viewers who have just joined to watch as well. One love from A&I, and blessings to all. Yes, blessings to all. So that's what is trending. That's some of what is trending. Yep. So, yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and I will see you later on. One love and stay blessed.